Hello viewers, in today's lesson, I'm coming to show you how you can install NPM, the Node Package Manager on Windows operating system. My name is Everything and this is JackTech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, let's start. A link to this website is at the description. So just go there, click on the link, and you'll be redirected to this page. So before we start everything, let me explain what NPM is. Okay, so in Node.js, we have a command line tool that we use to install external packages. One popular website is called NPM. Yes. So if you are working on a project and maybe you need a package, let's say you want to build a website or you want to build an API and you need a package that will help you to build the API or the website, that is where you will use the NPM to install that package. Okay. All right. The NPM is part of the Node installer. So if you install Node.js, automatically you will get the NPM. Okay. All right. So now here we have Node.js 86-bit. It's the same as 32-bit. So if you are using Windows 11 32, you will download the 86. If you are using 64, you will select or you click on the 64-bit. So after you have downloaded Node.js installer, just go to your downloads. So if you want to go to download, go to your start menu, type downloads or run dialog, type downloads. All right, so now this is the Node installer. So just double click on this Node installer. So this is the first screen that you will see. So here, click on next, and then here just accept the license terms. Next, next again, and then install. Now let's confirm whether it has been installed successfully. So just go to your run dialog, that is Windows key plus R, and then type cmd. Okay, so here let's confirm whether we have the npm tool here. Npm dash dash version. Yes, so now we have our Node Package Manager. So my name is Everything and this is JackTech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. See you. Bye bye.